Effortless installation. Endless energy. All-in-one balcony solar storage. Versatile and flexible for different setups. Balcony. Garage. Garden. Shed. Nexa 2000. All-in-one balcony solar storage. Multiple functional modules are seamlessly integrated, eliminating the need for an additional microinverter. With the modular design of Nexa 2000 expansion battery, the Nexa system can be easily expanded to 8 kilowatt-hours through direct stacking. With 4 MPPTs for different rooftop orientations and 20-volt amperes string current supporting 650 watts, high-power modules, the total solar input reaches 2,600 watts. Nexa allows you to manually adjust the output power to provide greater energy flexibility to meet your needs. During sudden power outages, the off-grid port supplies power to critical loads, ensuring essential systems remain operational. 6,000 battery cycles, 10 years warranty, 15 years product lifespan. Simply connect the PV terminals and also plug Nexa 2000 into the socket. IP66, waterproof, and -20 degrees Celsius startup. The Nexa 2000 battery stores excess solar energy during the day and delivers it when needed, enhancing the efficiency of solar energy utilization. With wireless Shelly Meter, Growatt device, it continuously monitors real-time load power, allowing Nexa to adjust output power dynamically based on scheduling needs. This optimizes photovoltaic power generation and reduces dependency on grid power.